Okay, so the next word that I want to talk about is this word proceedings. Proceed, maybe you've seen that meaning like go forward, but it can also be similar to the word meeting. A proceeding is a kind of official meeting. And I think maybe the main difference between a proceeding and a meeting is that proceedings usually take a long time. They can go on for several days or several weeks or several months. It's usually used in government or in the judicial system. Trials are a proceeding, or government inquiries are a proceeding. So let's just practice using this word, proceeding. Oh, wait, I have to put it up here. Here's proceedings. Here's an example. The government held several meetings to discuss raising taxes. Because it's an official meeting and because it happened over a series of time, we can call them proceedings. So let's, instead of saying the government held several meetings, we can say the government held proceedings regarding the raising of taxes. Let's ask a what Mary do while question. So we've got one situation, the government holding proceedings, and then we want to know what Mary do while government hold proceedings. Pretty long question. Let's try it. What did Mary do? What did she do? What did she do while? What did she do while the government? What did she do while the government held proceedings? What did she do while the government held proceedings regarding the raising of taxes? And here's the answer. She paid attention. She paid attention. She paid attention. She paid attention while the government held proceedings. She paid attention while the government held proceedings regarding the raising of taxes. Okay, let's try another example. The company held several meetings regarding future projects. The company held several meetings regarding future projects. Because there were several meetings around one topic, future projects, and they had an agenda, we can call these proceedings. The company held proceedings. The company held proceedings regarding future projects. Let's make a what John do while question. What did John do? What did he do? What did he do? What did he do while? What did he do while? What did he do while the company held proceedings? What did he do while the company held proceedings regarding future projects? And here's the answer. He took notes. He took notes. He took notes while the company held. He took notes while the company held proceedings. He took notes while the company held proceedings regarding future projects. Okay, now let's take a look again at how it's used in the paragraph. Perhaps it might be used later against him in a proceeding before the scientific council. So by using this word proceeding, we know that the scientific council is a very official organization. And if they're going to talk about this, or whatever the topic is, it's going to take a long time to find the answer. It's not just a one simple meeting, but it's a very long process. It almost sounds like a court, like a judge and a jury. All right, let's keep reading here. Let me